If you're looking to stop recurring charges on eBay, this guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Follow these steps to manage your subscriptions and prevent unwanted payments. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Start by visiting the eBay website and logging into your account using your username and password. This will give you access to your account settings where you can manage subscriptions. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the My eBay option at the top of the page. Click on it, then select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access Subscription Preferences. In Account Settings, look for the Subscriptions section. Here, you will find a list of inactive subscriptions or recurring charges associated with your account. Step 4. Manage your subscriptions. Click on the subscription you wish to cancel. You will see options to manage or cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel the service, ensuring that you confirm the cancellation when prompted. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from eBay regarding the cancellation of your subscription. This will ensure that the recurring charges have been successfully stopped. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on eBay. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for assistance.